great video for you today on how to have fun cruising, your cruise adventure channel. You're going to definitely want to subscribe to this channel. We give you all kinds of tips like these here and walkthrough videos where we go from top to bottom so you get to learn your ship. And in addition, we've got all kinds of cool videos on shore excursions, places to go like this one in Aruba that we just did. You're going to have to check it out. It was absolutely awesome. We found this secluded beach and it is a hidden gem for sure, and our top 2 places to visit when you go to Aruba. So definitely check that out. If you're not familiar with our channel, our mothership channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors, 6 channels altogether, over 500,000 subscribers. And if you love vacationing, you're going to want to watch this channel. So definitely subscribe, hit that like button, and let's check out the Norwegian Sky. This is a quick review and 10 huge tips you're going to want to have. First, the ship crew, $899. Take a look at this thing. Guest capacity, 1,944. Overall length, 258 meters. This is a smaller ship. Tip number 1 is where we always start, and that is to arrive early. That's right. Fly in the day before. Get a hotel. Spend a little bit of extra money. Be there relaxed. You don't have to worry about missing or a flight delay or missing a flight or any type of issue. You're going to be there on time. Tip number 2. Take a painting class. That's right. We threw this in here because most people don't even know that they have painting classes on these cruises. And believe it or not, it's a lot of fun. We enjoyed it. And Alice did 1, then she did 2, and then we did 3 painting classes. We learned to be full-blown painters by the time we were done with this cruise. All right, so I did all right, teacher?
Yes, I think this is the best one I've seen. Best palm tree.
The best one yet?
In 3 years.
3 years?
And I've been working on the
Okay, tip number 3, we got another great one for you. That's right, enjoy the spa. There's nothing like it. Definitely splurge. You're on vacation. You work hard all year. Definitely pedicure, manicure, get a nice massage. You can get your hair done. They even dye your hair if you want. And take a look at Alice. She loves her massage. All right, it's time to get up, Alice.
I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get up. Once again, I already told you guys that this is the tip of all the tips. Get a massage.
Okay, that's right. Tip number 4, stay active. Check out the spa. No question about it, but also hit the gym. You're going to eat a lot more than you think. You're not going to get the exercise that you normally would, and guess what? You're going to gain some weight, 5-10 pounds. But guess what? If you just come in here for a half an hour each day, you're going to keep that weight off, and when you get off the ship, not only are you going to have a great vacation, but you're going to feel good. You're not going to feel bloated and overweight. And I got to tell you, this cruise, from a review point of view, we love the Norwegian Sky. We love the smaller ship. It was fantastic. The service was great, and no question about it, the food was good. And believe it or not, you had everything on this ship. You've got all the gym, the spa, beautiful pools, a great jogging track we'll show you a little bit later. But I got to tell you, this was a very nice cruise ship. And overall, we would highly recommend the Norwegian Sky. Tip number 5, book ahead. That's right, guys. This is a smaller ship, so they don't have a lot of shore excursions. So they book up quite fast. And unlike a big ship, there's not a lot of variety. So you definitely want to book ahead. We did an amazing cruise here. As you can see, we hit Madagascar, South Africa, one of the other benefits of small ships. And no question, you want to book ahead to make sure you get those tickets and you're good to go when you land on the island. And don't forget to go. It is a great time. Okay, so explore the sports deck. I got to tell you, tip number 6 here, and quite honestly, this was up at the top of the ship, and I don't know why, but very few people went up there and took advantage of, that's right, they had basketball, they've got golf, they got shuffleboard, they got all kinds of cool stuff up there on the sports deck. You can take advantage of all of it, no question about it. If you haven't, definitely check out our Facebook, Instagram page, our website, howtohavefuncruising.com. We got all kinds of tips and videos coming out every week. We also have cruise news and breaking cruise news. Tip number 7, don't miss the sunset. I know you may say this is a silly tip, but it's not. Why? Because there's nothing more romantic than watching that sun go down from a cruise ship. It is absolutely amazing. And I got to tell you, some of the most beautiful sundowns I've ever seen in my life are on cruise ships. So don't miss it. Set your clock.
Wow. Wow. It's so beautiful.
Incredible, huh?
The color of the sky is just amazing. Wow, guys. Amazing sunset.
Yeah, this is incredible for sure. Norwegian Sky going from Madagascar down to Africa. Wow, what a great cruise so far. And I gotta tell you, this has been better than I expected.
Yes.
I really like this Norwegian Sky. It's a nice little ship. Everybody on it loves it, and no question, it's been a great cruise.
And the ports are giving you such a different type of experience that is unique in the world. So, absolutely fantastic cruise.
Yeah, next stop, we're heading out to South Africa, so that should be pretty interesting. But take a look at these evenings, just gorgeous on the Indian Ocean. Okay, so after you've done that romance, how about tip number 8? That's right, La Cucina. That's right, Italian restaurant. You gotta check it out. And boy, they got some great Italian food. Yes, they have different upscale restaurants on this cruise ship like other Norwegian. But on this one, the Italian was fantastic. Alice is from Italy. So sure enough, we had a great time at this Italian restaurant.
So today the choice was very easy for the appetizer because you never find bean soup in United States, and this is a dish that my grandma was making. Is pasta with beans in a soup, and it's very old school, like the old generation they were eating it.
And what is it called in Italy?
Well, in Italian it's pasta e fagioli, in dialetto is pasta e pasù, and in English is pasta and beans.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
All right, we got the ossobuco. Outstanding. Very good. Again, what I really enjoyed about the Sky was the service. I actually asked for a chocolate mousse, and they actually made it for me. And everything about this ship was great when it came to service. They had all your photography areas, and they really helped you out in that. And the library was super cool for a small ship, and then you could sign up for all your different stuff, including the painting classes, but tons of great books. This was a super nice library. And how about tip number 9, the shows? I was shocked for this size ship to have this size theater and have this quality of shows. So definitely don't skip the shows, and make sure that's on your itinerary also. So you got some great sunsets, some great dinners, some great shows. You're going to have a really nice time on this cruise ship, and no question about it, it was beautiful. And they had all kinds of different events, as you know, in the theater area that made it extra special. But how about the track? Okay, Alice, we're here on deck number 6. Another big tip for everyone back home.
Yes, so when you are on sea day, it's great to come here at deck 6, and there is a nice walk around. The view is spectacular, and you can walk as much as you want. Really great way to move some carbs.
Yeah, there you go, guys. This is a really cool design on this ship. You get to walk the entire ship front to back all the way around, and it's quite a beautiful wide open Lido deck on deck number 6. So you're going to want to take advantage of this, get your walking in, get your jogging in. It's pretty awesome overall. All right, Alice, we showed everyone back home 1 lap here. Tell everybody what you got to do to get to a mile, or better yet, 2 miles.
2 miles is 7 laps, guys, and it's what we're gonna do today. So very easy. Let's go and keep going with our walking.
All right, guys. So we got a slave driver here. So one mile is 3.5 laps. 2 miles obviously is 7 laps. You can jog during the day after 8 p.m. No jogging allowed. But other than that, it's pretty awesome, and it's shaded a lot of the ways. And as you saw in that time lapse, it is one cool, one of the nicest ones in all the cruise ships, and it's a smaller cruise ship. That's what's crazy.
Yes, and it's beautiful. It's really well maintained, very clean, and the view is spectacular. What else do you want?
The view is amazing. Well, overall, there wasn't much negative to say about this cruise ship. We really enjoyed it, and our goal was to give you 10 tips in 10 minutes, unlike some of these long, dragged-out videos on YouTube, and just give you our personal experience. We don't get paid by the cruise ship. We don't have a travel agency. We just get out there to give you guys all kinds of great vacation ideas, whether it's how to have fun outdoors, this channel, how to have fun cruising, or any of our other channels. It's all about you, giving you that work-life balance and giving you ideas to travel around the world. Thank you so much. Hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching How to Have Fun Cruising.